Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. Today we will discuss about the error 3 and error 5. These are all the errors we are getting while taking the backups. So when we are taking the backups as the module is going on, so we discuss about the what are the errors we are facing while doing the backup. So first let's see error 3 when it came. uh, First in the demo I'll show you. First I'm just taking the backup of any one of the databases of the server. Suppose Google, I'm taking the backup. Same task, backup. I'm removing this. I'm adding the file. So I have created one another backup path, backup 2. In this I'm creating path name google dot back google one dot any file name you can able to give. Click on OK, click on OK. Okay, then next in the backup option I'm just compressing it. We need to select compress backup option. Then I'm going to the general, no need to do anything, script it out. I'm scripting it out. Now here we have the backup path. So these are the backups. I'm doing some changes. Now I'm taking the backup, executing it. Parse, it's done, execute. Okay, the backup has been failed. Why? Here we are discussing about the error 3. Okay, so here we got operating system error 3. Why? Cannot open backup device because backup database is terminating abnormally, as well because I have given the wrong path. So while taking the backup you should have to, while taking, you should have to see the backup path. Our backup path must be correct. So these are the backups, so we need to check what is the proper backup path. So here we have created the folder. Here we can, if you want, you can select this backup path over here. We can able to rectify it. Here we are giving, so I have removing it. Okay, so this one no need to give. Actually I have given for showing the error. Now if you will take this, you will get the backup. So the backup has been done successfully. So this is one of the error we are facing if our backup file path is not correct. Another error we are getting, error 5. So when we will get the error 5, I'll show you. Suppose I am taking backup of any one of the database like Microsoft. I'm creating another script. We can able to edit over here also, but I'm just creating the another script. Backup, removing the path, adding the path in different folder. I'm just taking F drive, F. I'm just taking Microsoft dot BAK. Okay. In backup option, I clicked on compressed, closing this path, script it out. Script has been came. Now we are taking the backups. It's parsed, executed. Okay, the backup has been failed. So what's the error is showing? Operating system error 5. Access is denied. Why? Cannot open backup device dot back. So this error 5 came when you have not enough space. So where we are taking the backup in which of the folder that drives is not the enough space. So I'm showing you where we are taking. So we are taking in, sorry, this F drive Microsoft.back. In F drive we are taking. First I'm closing this too, but okay, this page, see here we have the F drive. So here we can able to see why we can't able to take the backup, because the drive is full. Almost 704 KB is free, and our database size, what is the database size we have? We are taking the Microsoft. If you want to see the size of the database, there is a script also, is p_helpdb, or you click on the properties, right click properties of that databases. Here is the option, here you can see 72 MB, and here is a space, we have 704 KB. So it's not enough space there. So in the organization, generally we will reach out to the Windows team to increase the drive space virtually. But here this is my own environment, so I'm just clearing out few of the, these are all the big size. Actually I have only created this to showing the error. I'm deleting. Yes, I want to delete completed. So now see, 123 MB is enough space. Now you are taking the backup. If let's try, let's see whether it's going or not. So operating system error 5, execute it. So the backup has been done successfully in the F drive for this Microsoft database. So in this way we rectify the error, we resolve the error. So if you like the video, subscribe the DBA Gadgets. Thank you.